Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about interpolation. This is your chapter 1, and there are many methods. It is actually numerical method how we can find the value of y corresponding to the given x. So this video is for interpolation. Basically in this uh, chapter we will study about Newton's forward interpolation formula. So let us see what is interpolation. First we will discuss the contents of the interpolation, introduction to forward, backward and central differences, and then formula of forward, Newton forward difference interpolation, Newton's backward difference interpolation. So let us see what is interpolation. The process of finding the curve passing through the point x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2 and so on. It is a finite number of terms. So let us say the last point is x and yn is called an interpolation, and the curve obtained is called an interpolating curve. Interpolating polynomial passing through the given set of points is unique. Let x0, x1, x2 and xn be given set of observation and y be the given function, then the method to find f of xm is called an interpolation. In short, we can say कि xm is a point which lies between x0 to xn, and corresponding to find the value of y for xm is called interpolation. If we are finding any point of x, y beyond the limit, it means beyond the x0, beyond the limit from x0 to xn, it is called extrapolation. So if xm is not in the range of x0 and xn, then the method to find f of xm is called an extrapolation. So x0, x1, x2 and xn, there are two types of differences we can see in these points. First is equally spaced argument and second one is unequally spaced argument. If the difference between x is equally, then we will go through the Newton's and Gauss interpolation. If the difference between the value of x is unequally spaced argument, then we will go through the Lagrange's and Newton's divided interpolation. So the interpolation depends upon the finite difference concept. If the points of x be given set of observation and let y, y0, y1 be their corresponding value for the curve y, then y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1 and corresponding this last value is yn minus 1 is called a finite difference. First we are going to study about equally spaced arguments. So we are discussing about the equal difference. What is the difference? Okay, so when the arguments are equally spaced, it means if the next value of x minus previous value of x are equal, then the argument are equally spaced. In short, symbolically we have written here xi minus 1. Let's say it is h. For all I, it means the difference should be equal for all value of x. Then we use one of the following differences. When the arguments are equally spaced, then we use one of the following differences: forward differences, backward differences and central differences. So first we will discuss about forward difference. So let us see what is how we can find the forward difference. For this we will study about the forward difference operator. Let us consider x0, x1, xn with a given set of observation and let y0, y1, y2 corresponding the value of x, y is given, r corresponding value of curve. Then the forward difference operator is denoted by the delta and is defined as delta y naught equal to y1 minus y naught, delta y1 minus equal to y2 minus y1, and so on. In this case, delta y naught, delta y1 and so on are called the first forward difference of y. The difference of first forward difference will be given as second forward difference as, and it is denoted by delta 2, and it is defined as delta is again operated on delta y naught. So, it would be delta of y1 minus delta of y naught. Continuously, we can find the finite number of finite differences with the help of finite difference operator, forward difference operator. So, let us understand all this process through a table. Let us see. Similarly, the difference of second forward difference will be given as third forward difference, and it is denoted by delta 3. Let us see. The value of x and y is given. First forward difference is delta y naught, delta y1, delta y2 and so on. Now, second difference you can see here, delta to y naught equal to delta y1 minus delta y naught. Second, delta to y1 equal to delta y2 minus delta y1 and so on. You see here very observantly how we can find the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on finite differences with the help of forward difference operator. In short, by the formula I have written here in note, if h is the common difference in the value of x and y be the given function, then delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, we have seen that what is forward difference operator and how we can find the forward difference table. Now we are going to study about Newton's forward difference formula. Newton's forward difference formula we can represent as delta of y of x equal to y naught plus p y naught plus p of p minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 y naught plus p into p minus 1 p minus 2 upon factorial 3 delta 3 y naught and so on. What is p here? P equal to x minus x naught by h. X is what? For which we have to find the value of y. X naught is what? It is the initial point of x, which is already given in the question. H is what? H is the difference between the value of x. Now let us see some practice question. First question is, Newton's Draghi forward interpolation formula can be used for only for equally spaced interval, only for unequally spaced interval, for both equally and unequally spaced, and for unequally intervals. So, can anyone guess? Yes, it is the answer A, only for equally spaced interval, when the value of x is equally spaced. Now, let us see one question. Find the solution using Newton's forward difference formula. Here, the value of x and y is given. We have to find the value of y for x equal to 1895. We have to see here the value of x is equally difference, and what is the difference here? It is h, it is 10. Okay, so we have to apply here Newton's forward interpolation formula because the difference of x is equally spaced. Now, the value of x and y, it is given that. Now, we have to construct the forward difference table that we have already discussed, how we can find the central difference, forward difference table. Here it is given. Now, we have to find what is h. H is what? It is the difference between the value of x, it is 10. We can see very easily, and we have solved here. You can see x is what is it? It is 1895, for which we have to find the value of y. Now here we have written the Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. We can see we have find the fourth difference in the forward difference table. So we will expand the formula according to this. We will expand the formula till fourth difference. It means delta 4. Now the first f of x is what? It is 46. Delta f of x it means delta f y naught, it is 20, delta 2 y naught, it is -5, delta 3 y naught, it is 2, and delta 4 y naught, it is -3. So we will put all these value. Initially we will find the value of p is what? X minus x naught by h. So it is 0.4. We will put the values according to the formula, and finally we will get the answer y at x equal to 1895, it is 54.8528. It is the answer, है ना? By we have solved this by Newton's forward interpolation formula. So we have seen the first numerical problem, and we will discuss further the next question and some practice questions. Thank you very much.